I'm Scott the engineer, and I created a program that will fix eye strain forever. The average American spends 11 hours in front of a screen every day. My current job requires me to sit in front of a desk all day, every day, and I'm beginning to feel the effects. I get headaches, sore eyes, and I can feel my eyesight getting worse over time. This is a common problem that a lot of people are complaining about. I decided to fix the problem. I created a program that follows the 20-20-20 rule, which basically says every 20 minutes you look at something that's 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This allows the muscles in our eyes to relax, to go back to a normal state. You can look out the window, look across the room, or go up and get some water. Eye strain is basically the muscles in our skulls that control our eyes getting tired. What happens is when you focus on something like a screen, your eyes are forced to focus inward, and then you hold that for hours on end. The program is written in Python. I'm using the Tkinter library, which is a graphical user interface. I created a string of images that I'm going to cycle through. So I begin by initializing the Tkinter instance. I make it so the window that appears is always on top of everything that I'm doing. That way I can't miss it. If you want to make it so the window is unexitable, you set override direct to 1, and that makes it so you can't even destroy it. I set some initial parameters. I create the geometry of the window, then I pack it, then I call this recursive function. The countdown function will recursively cycle through all the images that I've created for the duration of the timer. In this case, it's set for 20 seconds, so every 20 minutes the window will pop up for 20 seconds. I had to create 2 supporting files for the Python script for the task scheduler to run. The first was a batch file. This file will call the program Python to run, and Python then calls the 20-20-20 timer script. When the task scheduler runs, instead of having it pulling up a command prompt every single time, I used a Visual Basic script, which will then call the batch file. The code in the Visual Basic script will make it so the command prompt doesn't pop up. On Windows, what you do is you just search task scheduler, go to create a task, name it, I'll call it 20-20-20 timer. You're going to browse for the Visual Basic file, and then you're going to have some triggers. This is where you can tell the task scheduler to repeat every 20 minutes. It's going to have it go daily, recur every day, and then I'm going to repeat this task every 20 minutes. That's great. All right. Now I ran into the problem where this was checked. Start the task only if computer is on AC power. That means if it's on battery, it won't work. And so I'm going to uncheck that. That means that the program will work when you are on battery. So I'll hit OK. Now every 20 minutes, the program's going to run. So I've been using the 20-20-20 timer every day for about a week now. And I can honestly say I've seen a huge difference in my work. My eyes don't get tired at the end of the day. I don't have headaches. I don't get sore eyes. I can focus on my work longer while taking these short breaks. Honestly, if you have a job that requires you to sit down and looking at your screen all day, the 20-20 timer will save your eyes. Do yourself a favor and use the 20-20 timer. But thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and I'll see you next time.